Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Yaje here with another gardening video. Today's video is going to be an update video on the African garden eggs that I am growing in my backyard. I'm growing the garden eggs out here where I have like sun with no shade at all, and then I also have some growing in my garden bed at the front of the house in my front yard. That part is partially shaded, and I'm experiencing a difference, which I believe has to do with the fact that this one is receiving a whole lot of sun, this one here, and then the one in the front is not receiving as much sun. We're going to go to the front yard and start with the garden eggs growing in the front. All right, so here are my garden eggs. This particular type of garden egg is the toga garden eggs, the striped toga garden eggs. And as you can see, I have a lot of the garden egg fruits on my garden egg plants. Pay attention to the way it fruits. As you can see, it produces like I don't know how to describe this, but just take a look. See, it looks like cherry tomatoes, and it's not going to grow much larger than this. Very soon I would need to harvest. These are small, you know, they say you should harvest when they're about 3 inches long and the color is still white and green like that. Don't let it turn yellow before you harvest. Let's harvest some garden eggs. These are the green striped toga garden eggs. So guys, behind me is the other type of garden eggs that I am growing. This one is a particular variety from Cameroon, and I don't know which one it is because it is my first time growing it. Mom sent me the seeds and I thought I should try it. So far it is growing, but the issue is that it has produced flowers, and all of the flowers that it produced, the first set of flowers, they all dropped without pollination. So that has me very worried, because compared to the one I just showed you, that one flowered and the flowers got pollinated and now I have fruit. This one flowered, it did not pollinate, all of the flowers dropped. I panicked. And when I panicked, what I did was I put a shade cloth over this one. I've just taken the shade cloth off because I thought maybe it's because it's exposed to a lot of sunlight. That is why the flowers are just drying up and dropping. So I put that shade cloth. Again, it's not here anymore because it's really been raining and we've just had dull weather for at least a week here in Houston. I did that. I also pruned it a lot, as you can see. You know, I pruned a lot of the branches, a lot of the excess foliage, the leaves, just to force the plants to produce more flowers and maybe expose the flowers to pollinators. That was my thought process. And what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna apply this fertilizer trifecta. I got this one from MI Gardener, and this one has a very high phosphorus content. You see, it has an NPK of 5-10-4. 10 is the phosphorus, and phosphorus helps with flower production. Okay, so you know nitrogen is the N, it helps with green growth, and then P is the phosphorus, it helps with root development and flower production, and then the K is potassium, that helps to boost plant immunity and help the fruit set. So I'm gonna be applying this one today. I'm just, you know, trying everything just to see if something works. And the dosage is 3 tablespoons per plant. So I'll just go ahead and put, you know, do like a top dressing of this fertilizer, and then I will let you know if it works or not. Just water that stuff in, and I will share with you updates, you know, if this helps or not. But I'm gonna stick it out. I'm just gonna wait, because if these are like peppers, you know, hot peppers take a long time to mature as opposed to sweet bell peppers. So it might be the case with the garden eggs. I'm just gonna wait. I'm tempted to just take them out and create space or something else, but you know, I'll wait it out just to see if this treatment helps. That's the heavy pruning and then applying that high phosphorus fertilizer. I'll see if it helps.